interest rates have been rising, and like many of you out there, if you've been looking to buy some real estate and buy your first deal, there are some different challenges that you may be approaching now. Interest rates have pretty much doubled in the last 6 months, so you can afford about half of what you could 6 months ago if you're a first-time home buyer, for example. But interest rates, they did go up. They went up to, I think, about 5.5%. They're dropping down slightly depending on what type of loan you're getting and your credit score and whatnot. Even though there may be some challenges right now, it does present other opportunities. Due to the fact that there are less buyers in the market and they can afford less, it means that sellers cannot sell their house as easily as they could 6 months ago. So you can come in, you can make lower offers. You may be able to structure some seller financing deals. There are sellers out there who need to sell and they want to sell, but the buyer pool is just much smaller than it was. Builders are selling their houses for way less than they were. Realtors out there, you're able to get your full commission. Some of those builders out there weren't paying full commission 6 months ago. A lot of things have changed, and it doesn't mean that it's a challenge. So look for the opportunities and see what you can do to get some deals done. Like and follow for more rants.